லேசா ஏசியை ஃபேன் போடலான்னா போடு. Respected madam, namaste madam.
Good morning, Mahadevan.
Namaste madam, namaste madam.
Namaste. We'll start shortly.
Okay madam. You are every day coming madam from Thiruvananthapuram?
No, weekly 4 days.
Okay madam.
No, today is my last day.
Okay. Hereafter practice madam, isn't it?
Okay. You think so?
Okay.
So how is your health and all?
Everything is much better. Corona, due to corona, everything is closed now. And only COVID cases online and medicines we are distributing.
Oh, no IP, nothing now.
IP, few cases of stroke and other non-COVID cases we have admitted.
Okay.
And students, RAV students are there, classes are going on.
Okay.
It's going on in a low profile.
Even our students are also there, it seems.
Your students are a part of my family.
Thank you.
Very good, humble, well-behaved students with good heart.
Thank you.
When they get a good opportunity, they study and perform very well.
Okay, thank you. Anyhow, I can hear such a good words about my students.
When they come here, they do vasti and everything independently.
Okay.
Shall we start, madam?
No. What about Ashna?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I again welcome everyone and thank you for joining for this webinar. As I said before, our topic is clinical nephrology on Ayurvedic perspective, presented by Dr. L. Mahadevan, sir. He's been an associate professor at Pangajasturi Ayurveda Medical College and PG Center. He's a managing director at Sri Sharada Ayurveda College, and he's been honored with Best Doctor Award from Dr. MGR Medical University, Chennai, from the Honorable Health Minister, Government of Tamil Nadu, and a National Award for the Best Scientific Writer for his book, Dr. L. Mahadevan's Guide to Ayurvedic Clinical Practice. Award from Honorable Minister of State for Ayush Sri Sripath Yeso Naik on 20 May 2017, and such as many other awards in different sectors, both nationally and internationally. So we are very glad to have you here, sir. We're very happy, sir. Thank you. So we can begin with a prayer song, the session. So for that, I invite Richie Thomas of 3rd year BMS at Maria Ayurveda Medical College and Hospital for the same. So Richie, please. Hello, Richie. Chichi. Can.
Om Namamim Dhanvandarim Adidevam Suraiva Vandita Padapatmam Loke Jararupaya Mrityunasham Dataramisham Vividaushadena Ragadirogan Sadatanushattan Asheshakaya Prasritanasheshan Autsukyamoha Araditangjakana Yoga Purva Vaidhyaya Namostu Tasmai.
Thank you, Griti. Thank you. Now I humbly invite Dr. Jayashree ma'am, Principal, HOD of Department of Agratandra at Maria Ayurveda Medical College and Hospital for a welcome address. Ma'am, please, ma'am.
Volume இல்லையே.
Good morning, Dr. Good morning, all of you, and good morning, Mahadevan. Good morning, my dear colleagues and all my students and other participants. Today we are eagerly waiting for your presentation regarding clinical nephrology in Ayurveda. Dr. Mahadevan is a very famous practitioner and he is the chairman of Sharada Ayurveda Hospital, Tamil Nadu, and also he is associate professor in Department of Kaya Chikitsa, Pankajasturi Ayurveda Medical College, Katakada. Moreover, he is one of my students when he was doing his PG in Kaya Chikitsa Government Ayurveda College, Trivandrum. He and among some others also were there. They were very studious and intelligent students. I am still remembering them. And what they are doing was, after doing their clinical rounds in wards, they used to do case presentation in every day in front of higher faculties, Dr. Shankarankuti sir, Dr. Vasudevan Nambudiri sir, Dr. Jayaprakash sir. He is no more now. The discussions long for more than 2 hours. They are very valuable discussions among the teachers and students. I think they may be like in their career, though that presentations helped them very much and they reached in such positions. I am very proud of you, Dr. Mahadevan, and I am sincerely welcome you on behalf of our management and my colleagues and my students for this gracious occasion. So, I think I welcome all of you once again, all the those who are presenting here, and I hope this presentation is very useful and beneficial for those who are attending this seminar. I once again welcome you, sir, and thank you all. We can start now, sir.
Okay. We can start.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. We will start.
And we welcome you, ma'am.
Okay.
So without any further delay, we can begin the session. So I invite you for that. Over to you, sir. So please.
Within a minute.
Okay.
അവരവിടെ എന്ത് പിള്ളേരടി എത്ര പേര് കാണുന്നോന്ന് അറിയാൻ പറ്റുമോ? Good morning, Namaste Principal, Madam, other faculties and my dear students. I remember Dr. Jayasri Madam, who is now the Principal of Pankaja Maria Ayurveda College, who is going to retire today. In the year between 1993 to 97, I worked under Madam in the Department of Kaya Chikitsa, Government Ayurveda College, Thiruvananthapuram, in the KC4 department, under the leadership of Dr. Jayaprakash. Sir is no more. And Madam, I used to go with Madam for rounds. Madam is a motherly in nature, and she is very kind, very knowledgeable, very practical oriented. And it's very unfortunate that I could not go to Maria College and meet Madam. We could not invite Madam to our hospital also because of the global unrest. Today we are going to talk about clinical nephrology in Ayurveda. What is the difference between nephrology and urology? The medical branch of kidney diseases is called nephrology, and the surgical branch of kidney disease is called urology. Strategies, scope, diseases, limitations, and future. Kidney measures 11 into 6 into 3 centimeter and weigh 125 to 170 grams. They occupy the retroperitoneal space on the either side of the vertebral column from D12 to L3 vertebrae. The kidney receives its blood supply through the renal artery, which arises from the aorta. Renal veins drain into inferior vena cava. Male urethra is 17 to 23 centimeter, 7 to 9 inches. Female urethra is 2.5 to 3.5 centimeter, 1 to 1.5 inches. Ureter length is 20 to 30 centimeter, and urine pH is 4.5 to 7.5. Normal urinary bladder can hold up to 500 ml of urine. In the clinical medicine class, we tell the bladder fullness like median subumbilical swelling, dull on percussion. That's what we teach. And this urethra is 17 to 23 centimeter. Our Shastra says in Uttravasti, we have to insert the catheter up to 6 angulas. That is 12 centimeter. So 12 centimeter is probably in intrapenile Uttravasti, and it is not intra-bladder Uttaravasti. And a healthy adult should produce between 1000 and 2000 cc a day, depending on the fluid intake. Less than 300 ml per day is called oliguria. Less than 50 ml is called anuria. Greater than 3 liters is called polyuria. In diabetic insipidus, they pass urine around 60 to 65 times, which is a very rare disease. In the 22 years of practice, I have seen only one case of diabetes mellitus. It's a rare disease. Normal kidneys can eliminate up to 10 liters of water in 24 hours. Urine specific gravity is 1.010 to 1.020, which is important in diabetes insipidus. The Thailabindu Pariksha, what we do in the Ashtasthana Pariksha, is useful in specific gravity. It needs lot of imagination, and the findings are very subjective in nature. That is why the Thailabindu Pariksha did not pick up so well in some of the areas of clinical practice. But in Siddha system, Neerkuri, Naikuri, they are doing it and they are documenting it, and they are finding Vada, Pitta, Kapha predominance in the urine. Among considering the Mala, Swedam is the Mala through which Pittam is eliminated. Urine is the Mala through which Pittam and Kapham are eliminated, proteins and bile salts and bile pigments. Motion is the Malam in which Vadam, Pittam, Kapham, 3 are eliminated. So in kidney disease, in renal failure, Kapham is Snigdam, Pittam is Snigdam, Sarabhagam is also Snigdam, Malabhagam is also Snigdam, Snekasaroyam Purushaha. Mutram is considered as a Kleda Rupam of Kapham. Kledam is a very important concept in the management of so many diseases. Even in the black fungus formation, it is the industrial oxygen that is being supplied. Diabetes, immunocompromised state, All these point the finger towards the Dushita Kledam. So Kleda Soshanam has been the primary objective of treating these diseases. Only in Kledam there is proliferation of fungus. If there is Ruksham Kleda Soshanam, fungus cannot grow. Krimi is basically a Kapha Pitta problem. Kapha Pitta are eliminated through Mutram, and Mutravaga Srodas are unique in nature. We have directly involved kidney diseases. Mutragadam, Mutrakrichram, Ashmari. Indirectly involved diseases where urine is involved. Pramegam. The pramegam in Ayurveda include nephrological diseases, urological diseases, and neurological diseases. Shanair Meham. Shanair Meham is hesitant urine, hesitancy, which is seen in neurological bladder. So, pramegam is not only a simple metabolic diseases of varied etiology, including predominantly diabetic mellitus, and if not treated, they will end up in diabetic mellitus. And it is very interesting to know that Vasti has been given importance in the classics. It is not the kidney. Kidney has been told here and there in the classics. Medo Vahanam Srodasam Vrikhav Moolam. There is a reference. Then Panchadasha Koshtangani Nabhisya Hridayamsya Vrikhav. So there is a reference. But kidney in relation to its function is not told. They assumed that it is by the bladder. So bladder Vasti is a Sadhyapuranagara Snayamarmam, Sadhyapuranagara Vadamarmam, Hridayam is a Sadhyapuranagara Pitta Marmam, Shiras is a Sadhyapuranagara Kapha Marmam. Sophagigisa, where we select treatment from nephrotic syndrome from Sophagigisa. Udara Chikisa, we derive the concept of Malasanjayam, Nityamena Virejayed. Gulma Chikisa, in Vasti Gulmam, Tuni, Pradiduni, Gudagadavadam, Pakwasegadavadam, the prostate hypertrophy, prostate hyperplasia, a Kai Chikisa person will treat like Gulma in Vastisthana. Jwaram, some of the principles of Pitta Jwara are used in the management of acidic urine and urinary tract infection. Udavartam is a reflex, renal reflex. In diabetes, there is a reflex where the semen will go back, retrograde ejaculation into the bladder instead of the semen coming out, which is called Shukraja Udavartam, for which Kukada Mamsam is the treatment. Now, kidney is situated in the Koshta. It is a Matrujabhava or embryology. Matrujabhava derived from Rakta Meda Prasadam, Vrikhav, Kutshigolagau, and Dalgana only in the 11th century says, Vrikhav dhau, Yekaha Vamaparsvastidaha, Dudiyaka Dakshina Parsvastidaha. Kidneys are two in number. One is situated on the left side, one is situated on the right side. That is a beautiful definition given by Dalgana. Dalgana's commentaries are always unique, and he is a great commentator, because even in Snehabanam, he only told whether plain Gridam is needed or Samskrita Gridam is needed. He told Samskritam va, Asamskritam va. So Dalgana's commentary is very unique. So marmas related to kidneys, Vasti marmam, Kugundara marmam, Nidamba marmam, Logidaksha marmam, Vitaba marmam. Vasti marmam, it is one of the three marmas, Trimarmiya Siddhi. Snayu marmam, Sadhyapranagara marmam, it is Gulmasthanam, it is hypochondrial area, it is a seat of Avana Vayu, it is a seat of action of Uttravasti. Actually, when we do Uttravasti, we put the catheter, we remove the urine, we inject the oil, then we pull the catheter. This is not told in Ayurveda, and they have told small Palavarti a very thin Palavarti like Malati Vrindam for the size of urethra. These are all the unique things that is mentioned in the text. Nidamba Marmam is Asti Marmam, which is a Kalandara Pranagar Marmam. Asti Marmam is not directly involved, but in renal failure, there will be hyperparathyroidism and low calcium and osteoporosis. That is why we also call the renal failure patients to take 300 ml of milk per day. In renal osteodystrophy is a bone disease where kidney fail to maintain the proper levels of calcium and phosphorus in the blood. Phosphorus we should always check in the renal failure. Logidaksham is a Siramarmam, 2 in number, and Vaikalyakarmarma in nature. It can be affected in vascular renal disorders. Suppose a young man come to you with hypertension, 200/120, we will be checking Doppler study of the renal artery to rule out renal artery stenosis, and we will be concentrating on adrenal glands to rule out pheochromocytoma, a tumor in the adrenal gland which produces vinyl mandelic acid. So checking 24 hours urine for VMA help us to understand the tumor in the adrenal glands. Of course, these things are very rare, but hypertension is related to renal angiotensin converting enzyme mechanism. Probably you would have studied in physiology. And Vitapam marmam. Vitapam is considered as inguinal region. It is a Vaikalya marmam. But injury in that area can produce erectile dysfunction and subfertility. Infertility is a word that is banned now because you cannot call a person infertile. Still he can attain the parenthood. Today he is infertile. Tomorrow he may attain a parenthood. That is why subfertility is a word that is being used now. And according to the Moolam, origin of Mutravagasrodhas, according to Charaka, Vasti Vankshanam, according to Susruta, Vasti Medram, and Virkam is not told by them. Navakata process, it is a new part, the Medram, and Virkam is not told by them. Navakata process, it is a new part that is being immersed in a water. The water enter through the outside and the inside. That's a Upamanam that is told in relation to a ocean in the conventional text. So qualities of Mutram, Dravam, Saram, Snigdam, Mrudu, Sterile, Pichilam, Turbidity, Kadu, Alkaline, Lavanam, Anurasam, Kadu Lavanam, Pitta Vardhanam, Ushna Viryam, Kadu Vibhagam, Kapavadharam is Mutram. So that is why Mutram is given in conditions like Switram, where not a human Mutram description is also there, but other Mutra, Gomutra, we make Panchagavya and all, and that is being given in Chitragasavam, Gomutrasavam are mentioned. Mutravaga Srodho Dushti Lakshanam, Adisrishtam, polyuria and UMN bladder, voiding too much. Adi Baddam, oliguria and LMN bladder, obstruction. Bahalam, a change in composition of the urine. Sasulam, Mutrayantam, dysuria, pain. Mutrakricharam, the English word is dysuria, pain during urination, micturition. Mutragadam, Mutrakricharam, Asmari, Shodam, Pramegam, Shayyamutram, Jwaram, Udaram are the conditions where Mutram is involved. Mutravagasrodhas is divided into Rogam. It's divided into two categories. Adipravarti Rogam, Apravarti Rogam. Apravarti Mutragadam, Mutrakricharam. For example, hydrocephalus. Adipravarti Pramegam, Meghaga, Migasejane. Adipravarti, polyuria, polydipsia, polyphagia, Bahumutrada is also told separately in Vaisheshya Ratnavali, and Samprapti Gadagas. If there is involvement of Vada, that can produce neurological bladder, change in the volume and void. If there is involvement of Pittam, which change the pH of the imbalance and dysuria features. Kapham produces polyuria, proteinuria, etc. Change in the pH of the urine helps in the disintegration of stone. That is why you should drink lot of water. To do forced diuresis to eliminate these crystals to prevent the adhesion for the formation of renal stones. Vadaja Murtra Krichiram can be compared to renal stones producing urethritis. Pittaja Mutra Krichiram, acidic urine. How come Kapha produce Mutra Krichiram? Kapham is Somabhuishtam, that is BPH, when there is secondary infection, that is Kaphaja Mutra Krichiram. Sannivada Mutra Krichiram is resistant UTI. Resistant UTI is seen in post-menopausal women. They get frequent urinary infection. Their urethra is very small, 1.5 inches. So, treatment of Mutragadam and Mutra Krichiram, in Shodhanam, we have Abhyangam, Avabhidaka Snegabanam, Swedanam, Abagagam, Pichu, Upanagam, Segam, Virejanam, Apanasthanam, Snehayukta Virejanam, Trinapanjamulam. It is in Sugumara Erandam, Trinapanjamula Yukta, Apana Anulomana, Mutra Shodhaniya Virejanam, Sugumara Erandam, Misraga Snegam, Gulminam Sramsanam Hidam, Snegavasti, Pipalyadi Vasti, told in Ashtanga Hridayam, Arshas, Udavarta Prakaranam, Nirurevasti. For example, Surasadivasti is told in Kaphaprameha, Vadaprameha, Negrodadivasti, Padmagadivasti is told in Pittaprameha, Madridailigam is told in Krishaprameha, then Uttaravasti, then Shamanam, Kashayam, Paniyam, Avil Toladi Basmakanji is very famous in Kerala, Churnam, Vati, Gridam, Ksharam, Lehiam, Kshira Prayogam, Shilajat, Vastiyamayeshu, Girijam. Now, coming to the Mutra Krichara Jigisa, Vadajam, Brigatyadi, Sugumaram, Veeradaradi, Pittam, Tiktarasam, Kogilaksham, Vari Kashayam. Vari is Sadavari, Sada, Vari, that which exudate always. So, Sadavari is a very unique concept in Ayurveda. The Upadadu of men is, Upadadu of Rasam is Stanyam and Artavam. In modern medicine, that works on lactation will not work on Artavam. That which works on Artavam will not work on the lactation. Where Sadavari, it works on Sadavari Kshira Kashayam for Stanya Vriddhi, Sadavari Lehyam for Pradaram, Sadavari Kashayam for Pradaram. So, ഇതൊക്കെ ഒരു ആയുർവേദ ഡോക്ടർക്ക് പറഞ്ഞാൽ മനസ്സിലാവുള്ളൂ. അലോപതിക്കാർക്ക് ഇത് മനസ്സിലാവില്ല. സോ കഫം വീരധരാദി, വരുണാദി, പുനർനവാദി, പത്യാപുനർനവാദി. There is a difference between Mutralam and Shofagnam. Mutralam is Madurarasam, Madurarasam is Kaphavardhanam, Kaphavardhanam is Kledavardhanam, Kledavardhanam is Mutravardhanam, that is Mutra Virejaniyam in nature. Shofa Tiktarasam is Shofagnam, Punarnava is Shofagnam, Dasamulam is Shofagnam. So, when there is a polyuria, you can give Gokshuram, Madurarasam Mutralam, Sadavari, Madurarasam Mutralam, coconut water, Madurarasam Mutralam, Yervar Bijam, Madurarasam Mutralam, Bala, Madurarasam Mutralam, Trinapanjamulam, Madurarasam Mutralam, Ikshugu Mutra Janananam, Madurarasam Mutralam. So, Tiktarasam Mutralam is given for Kapha, that is called Shofagnam, and Vadam Churnam, Gokshura Churnam, Pittam Sudarshana Churnam, Kapham Ajajivadadi Churnam, Ushagadi Ganam. Ushagadi Ganam is a very dangerous Ganam. It contains Tutta Mandal. One fellow told it is not Ushagadi, sir, it is Ushanadi. So he selects Tirigudu in that. There was a thesis conducted in Trivandrum, I know that, in Prasudi Tantram department. Yeruvare Bijam. In Gridam, Sugumara Gridam, Trinapanjamulam, Vasdhyamayantakam is basically a Pitta Shamana Gridam. Brigatyadi Gridam. Lagupanjamulam is Vada Pitta Shamanam. Brigat Panjamulam is Vada Kafasamanam. Pittam Sadavariyadi. Kafam Pittam Gokshuradi. Kafam we will not give Gridam. Arishtam. Vadam no Arishtam. Pittam Sarivadi. Chandanasavam. Ushirasavam. In Kevala Vittam, Arishtam is contraindicated. In Kafanabandha Vittam, Arishtam is diluted and given. Kafa Pramegam, Punarnavasavam, Kumari Asavam. Main ingredient of Kumari Asavam is Swarnamakshigam and Lohabasmam. So Kumari Asavam works on uterus, supporting the, correcting the anemia that is seen in fibroids. So Punarnavasavam, everybody will think contains Punarnava, so it is Shodagna. No. Punarnavasavam contains 50 grams of Punarnava and 8 kilos of Draksha. So it is actually a mother rasam should be given in Vada Shofa. That's why I specifically put a question mark there. Legium Vadam Sadavari, Pittam Sadavari, Kafam Dashamula Haridagi, 100 Haridagi there. It is called Kamsa Haridagi. Kamsagam is Adagam. It Vishesha Palasurdi Samavadam, Amla Bittam, Vrishana Shodam, Epididymitis. Dasamula Haridagi is indicated. Vadi, Gokshuradi Vadi, Kogilakshaka Vadi, Kashaya Vadi, Chandanadi Vadi, Ratna Purush, Oridal Tamarai for Pittam, Kafam, Chandraprabha Vadi. Chandraprabha contains Gugulu, Chandraprabha contains Shilajati. The dosage of Chandraprabha is 1 karsham. 1 karsham is 12.5 grams. That is 3 shanam. 1 shanam is 3.25 grams. Chandraprabha meaning is Baguji. Chandraprabha means Pache Karpuram. Chandraprabha in Vaisheshya Ratnavali is different. There are 2 Chandraprabha yogas in Pramega Chikitsa. In Vaisheshya Ratnavali, Chandraprabha, Chandra was suffering from the disease. He worshipped Lord Shiva. He formulated a component. So it is called Chandraprabha. All these things are there in the text. So, Mutra Vegaroda Lakshanam. These Vegas denote autonomic ganglions. Starting from Purisha to Nidra, they are all autonomic ganglions denoting sympathetic and parasympathetic pathway. Diseases of autonomic nervous system you cannot control. That is the reason why Veganna Daraye, Udiranam Gadimadam, Udiranam Chanigraha, Sevanam Sagajanam, Narinam, Adisevanam, Karmakaladibadasya, Mityarambasya Karmanam. All these things are told in Charagam Shariram, first chapter, Kadida Purushiyam Adhyaya. Mutra Kricharam, Shirashulam. Mutrama Adachinirthial, tension attack varum. Hanagam, distended, median subumbilical swelling, Dalan percussion. So what is the treatment for it? What is the Snegamana for? Avabidaga Snegam. Annam Avabida Yadi, the Avabidagam, that which produce Pidana to the food. First you give Grida, then meal, then after digestion of the meal, Grida. So meal comes in between. So before food medicine, after food medicine. This is called Samudga Aushadakala. Samudga Aushadakala. Avabidagam is told in Naroganutpadaniyam, Mutra Vega Roda Dharana Chikissa in Ashtanga Hridayam, and it is told in Adogada, Ado Nabigada Vigaras, it is told in Rakta Arshas by Charaga, it is told as Vrishyam in Kasyava, it is Pitta Anila Samanam in Kasyava. It is in Samudga Prayogam. Samudga Prayogam is given in Hikka. Nobody is practicing that. Kambavadam, we give it in Parkinson's disease. Akshebagam, in dystonias and involuntary movement disorders. You should apply Samudga Ushadakalam in practice. Avabidaka Snegavanam Ashtangradiyam Sutram, 4th chapter, Roganutpadaniyam. It is told in the context of Mutra Vega Dharana Chikitsa along with other treatments like Vasti. In Sarvanga Sundara, Sundari illa, Sundara Vyakyanam, Hindu Vyakyanam, Sasilega, Hindu is from Kerala. Ubayam avabhidagam uchyade. Ubayam is Yegavajanam. So both are considered as one procedure. So in Ayurveda Rasayanam, Anupravesham means both together. Gridam given in 2 doses. Annado Viguno Abane. First is Prag Bhakta, that is for Anulomanam of Abana Vayu. Morning the patient is getting up, a previous meal is digested. Suppose it is 300 ml, 100 ml is given, Abana Anulomanam, then food comes, then after digestion, Jirnantigam, for Shamana purpose, it is taken when he feels appetite and should be taken. Anannau, the second dose acts as like a Samana. So reference from Arunasatta says first dose is lesser quantity, second dose is larger quantity. First Prabhakta Harsva Matra Snegabana, then Jirnandiga Uttama Matra Snegabana. 300 ml, 100 ml first, 200 ml. When the previous day food is digested, you give Acha Snegabana. Once there is appetite, you give Shamana Snegamana. In broad sense of practical reality, we give Shamana Snegavana by 12 to 12:30 and 5:30 to 6 in the outpatient, in the inpatient department in the practice. Clinical reference regarding divided dose. Before giving food, one can have the dose that can be digested in 1 yama, 2 yama, 3 yama along with food. More practiced method is 1/4 of Grida is taken before food, 3/4 is taken after the digestion. Avabhidaka Snegabana is a Samana Snegabana. So according to Dosha, Roga Bala, Agni Bala of the patient, Matra can be decided to Madhyama or Hraswa, which can be divided into 2 and given. What is the, how many days you have to give? 7 to 9 days and 7 days, Chakravani 9 days, and until the Roga Samana Lakshanas are seen, that is Samana Snegabana Lakshanam. And Purva Karma and Pashat Karma for Snegabanam. It is good to do Rukshana Kriya before Snegabanam, Peyadi Krama after Snegabanam. Aharam should be Dravam Ushnam Anabhishyandi. Abhishyandi is very thing. Ushna Snigdam Abhishyandi. Dadi is Abhishyandi. Masham is Abhishyandi. Tilam is Abhishyandi. Masyam is Abhishyandi. There are two definitions of Abhishyandi. Sarangadara says that which is Madura, Pichila, block the Srodhas is Abhishyandi, like Dadi. Opposite of Abhishyandi is Pramadi. Pramadi is Maricha. Thrombus formation, Abhishyandi, Ahara Vigaram must be avoided. Pramadi, they give aspirin, we give Marijam. Marijam is a very good anticoagulant. So, Abhishyandi, there are 2 references. One is Sarangadara, I told. Chakrabani says in Lavanobhagita Snegabana, he says, Dosha Sangada Vicheda Janagam Abhishyandi. Srodasam Sravagam Abhishyandi. So that which remove the blockage of Srodas, that which remove the consolidation of Srodas is called Abhishyandi. 2 opinions are there. Here we consider Sarangadara's opinion. Suppose Uttama Matra is 300, we should divide it and give. Because Mutra Krichram comes under Uttama Matra Arga of Snegabana. Gulmam Uttama Matra, Unmadam Uttama Matra, Sarpavisham Uttama Matra, Visarpam Uttama Matra, Mutra Krichram Uttama Matra. Visarpam Panchakarma is contraindicated. Snegabanam is contraindicated. Virechana Yutta Snegam is indicated after Amavastha. Then how will you give Uttama Matra Snegabana? Avastam Prapya Nirdishtam Vadabhityottare Kafe Mande. is the example for asking the question why there is Uttama Matra Snegavana for Visarpa, where Panchakarma is contraindicated. Hot water is the Anubana. Generally, Karasi Matra, test dose is given, and understand the Agni and the Koshta. You can understand how much time is taken for digestion. Spastic colon, Mudavada Anulomanam, Vada Kafa Koshtam, Krura Koshtam, Dadimadi Gridam, prostrate Vastiyamayandaka Gridam, endometriosis, Kalyanaka Gridam, Aredasi, Aprajashi, dysfunctional uterine bleeding, Sadavariyadi Gridam, in Allah. So, Gulmam, Sarpadamshram, Unmadam, Mutra Kirchanam comes under Uttama Matra. Ushnodagam is given for all snegas except Tuvarakam and Balladagam. Guguladiktakam contains Balladagam, Dhanvantaram contains Balladagam, Kankayana Gudam contains Balladagam, Bhagashalam Gudam contains Balladagam, Saptasaram Gudam, Saptasama Guliga contains Balladagam. So there are many medicines which contains Balladagam. We are not aware. Thailam is acidic, Yusham is alkaline. So the Yusham is the antidote for Thailam. Mandam, Vasama, Majja or Guru. Mandam is Lagu. So Vasa and Majja, Mandam is given. So these are all the varieties that exist. Dravagaram, Ushnagaram, Pramana-yukta Agaram are indicated. Abhishanti Agaram, Thairu Badilla, Matsyam Badilla. Sankirna Agaram, incompatible foods. Vriddham, contraindicated. Little snegam is needed. Adhisnigdam is not needed. Ashmari, Shava Varnam, Kantayuktam, Padashmari, Valladagamasi, red, yellow, black flower, Pittashmari, Selakshanam, Magat, Madhuvarnam, Kafashmari, Padashmari, calcium oxalate, Pittashmari, uric acid, Kafashmari, phosphate stones, Vadashmari, Vadasamaram, Ashmari Nasanam, Veeradaradi, Gokshuradi, Sugumara, Pittashmari, Madhuradiktarasam, Mutra Visheshatvam, Brigatyadi, Punarnavadi, Sadavari, Kafashmari, Vadakapakaram, Ushnam, Pramadi, Mutra Visheshatvam, Varunadi, Shigruvadi, Sandraprabha, Dasamula Aridagi, Kalyanagaksharam. Change in the pH. Kalyanagaksharam contains Balladagam in Andarduma process. Kapajona rogasti na vibandasti kashana. Adokata raktabitta chikitsa, hematuria, painful hematuria, painless hematuria, painful hematuria, stone infection, painless hematuria, microscopic hematuria. Think about TB, think about cancer. Of course, there are other rare conditions also. Painful, painless, and painful infection, stone, trauma, tumor, painless glomerulonephritis, that is nephritic syndrome, malignancies, tuberculosis and carcinoma. Treatment of Rakta Adhisara, Rakta Arshas, Pitta Jwara can also be adopted in Rakta Mutrada. Shadakshina Chikitsa we can apply. In Shadakshina there is a word. Uro vibhajyade atyartham mutram shonidameva. In Shadakshina, hematuria is told. Then only they are telling Kushmandam. Valli balanam sreshtam Kushmandam Vadavitta-jit. Vadavitta samana ushada in hematuria. Vamanam is avoided. After Amavastha, milk boiled with Sadavari, Gokshura, Vasa, because Adokada Raktabitta Visheshatvam is there. Kushmanda Prayogam. Vellappushani Chari, Pramegam, Udagamegam, Insipidus, Ichimegam, Glycosuria, Sandramegam, Chailuria, seen in elephantiasis, Shuklamegam, Phosphaturia, some call spermatoria, Sikatamegam, Crystalluria, stone podinju pogunnathu. Chanair megam, incomplete evacuation of bladder. Ksharamegam, alkalinuria, kalamegam, alkaptonuria, seen in metastatic melanoma, neelamegam, pseudomonas infection, raktamegam, you know, haridramegam, urobilinogen, manjishtamegam, myoglobinuria, mutradidam, temporary bladder atonia, and these are all the things. And albumin, microalbumin. Microalbumin is my PhD thesis with Aragvadadi Yogam. It took 8 years for me to complete the PhD. Less than 30 is normal in spot collection, and 380 to 300 is microalbuminuria. Greater than 300 is macroalbuminuria. Urine albumin plus will be there. Albuminuria should be controlled vigorously and meticulously so that the person with diabetes, hypertension will not develop chronic kidney disease. Chronic kidney disease proceeds, creatinine increases, dialysis will come, then renal transplant will come, estimated glomerular filtration rate will come down. So, in microalbuminuria, kapha-pramegam is pre-diabetes, pitta-pramegam is diabetes, vata-pramegam is complications of diabetes. Diabetic nephropathy is a serious complication of diabetes. It may produce diabetic kidney disease. 25% of the people with diabetes who do not control it, they get it. Worsening of blood pressure control, protein in the urine, Karapada Shofam, increased need to urinate, reduced need for insulin and diabetes medicine, confusion, shortness of breath and other things come. Poorly controlled diabetes is the cause. It affects the kidney. High BP is also a cause. There are risk factors. Hyperglycemia that is not controlled. Hypertension. Now they call 140/90 is hypertension. Hypertension and kidney disease. Hypertension, what is this hypertension actually? It is a Goodeling avyakta vyadhi. Without these sphygmomanometers, sphygmo means pulse, you cannot find this hypertension. Whether hypertension is Vadada hypertension, Pitta hypertension, Kapha hypertension, or avyakta lakshana hypertension. Sarpagandha we are giving. Who told Sarpagandha? Where is Sarpagandha told? Sarpagandha is told in Susruta Uttarasthanam in Veshajigissa. Sarpa Sugandha is introduced in Ashtangradaya. Sarpagandha is told in Dandi Haridagi. The word Sarpa Sugandha is there. Sarpa Sugandha is Garuda Kodi, Iswaramuli. Sarpa Sugandha is not Sarpagandha. Iswaramuli is going to play a big role in this black fungus if studies are conducted properly. Today evening, I am going to talk about black fungus. Being a smoker, I am not a smoker. The patient, if being a smoker, high cholesterol, in nephrotic syndrome in children, protein loss will be there. Cholesterol will be 500 or 600, and complications, erectile dysfunction, diabetic autonomic neuropathy, diabetic gastroparesis, diarrhea, all these things will come, controlling the BP, controlling the diabetes, controlling the weight. So this Pishtamegam, good. It is Kapha Pradhanya Pramegam, Kashaya Dikta Rasam is selected, Aragvadadi is selected, Kashaya Rasam, Mutramayeshu Nashanam, Kleda Soshanam, Vranagaram, it will reduce inflammation, Punarnavadi, Nishakadagadi. Nishakadagadi is Pitta Kapagaram, Kadaka Kadiradi is Kapha Pittagaram, Kadaka Kadiradi is 7 days. Prakshemam of Kadaka Kadiradi is Madhu. In 7 days, diabetes will not go away. Kadaka Kadiradi is useful in conditions like UTI, leukorrhea, pelvic inflammatory disease, vaginal candidiasis. But Toya Kalpana can be given. Now many people give Shunti Toyam, Dhanyaka Toyam, Guduji or Kashnam Murchitilla Toyam. Idaka Kudukarunde. Nala, Nalada. Kadira, Dargaridra, Jalapanam is given. Triphala Jurnam is given without honey. Honey can be given up to some extent, 200 we can give. Nalpamaradi Kashayam, Datri Balam. Then Dhanvandra Kridam with Vasanta Kusumagaram or Abragasinduram or Svedavarpadi can be given. Then Vadakafa Pramegam, You have Surasadi Gana Vasti and Krishadehi, Madhudailiga Vasti, Pitta Pramegi, Negrodadi Gana Siddhavasti, Padmagadi Gana Siddhavasti with Dhanyamalam. Bladder, you have urgency, frequency, hesitancy, distension, incontinence, overflow, dribbling. So Gunavikalpa for urgency is Chalavriddhi in Vayu, frequency is Vayu, hesitancy is Mandavradam, distension is Admanam, incontinence is Chalavriddhi, overflow is Pittanabandha Kafam, dribbling is Vadam. So all these interpretations are very essential. What type of bladder pathology? The Pittam, I told the Pittam very carefully because Amsamsa Kalpana, what I thought in the mind is different. And types of incontinence, stress incontinence, urge incontinence, mixed incontinence, overflow incontinence, reflux incontinence, surgery incontinence. So you have atonic bladder, bladder is full, urine unable to go. He is unable to give pressure and pass out urine. Bladder is having urine, he puts self-catheter. Prostate hypertrophy, catheterization happens. So it is a gulmam. It's Kafavadakaram. Kulma Chikissa, Cheravilvadi, Hingavajadi, Danvandaragudiya, Avagagasvedam, Ubanakalebam, Pipalyadi Anuvasanam, Chatwaris Taila Gomutra Vasti. Krichran, Gulman, Vadavin, Mutra Sangan. Hingavajadi. See the word? Krichran, Gulman, prostate, Vada, wind, distended abdomen, wind, spastic colon, Mutra Sangan, prostate. Hingavajadi. This is Vishesha Palasuradi, beautiful Palasuradi. Overactive bladder, Chalaguna Vriddhi of Chalaguna Abana Vriddhi in Abana Sthana, Maduram Sthiram has to be selected, Sugumaram Kshiragashayam, Danvandara Gashayam, Kshiravala Indriyanam Prasadanam, Ashwagandhadi Churnam, Vasanta Kusumagaram, Abraham 101 Buddhas, Akika Bishti, all these things are given. Hydronephrosis, there is a pathway in the block of ureter due to stone, tumors, birth defect, structural abnormalities. So it is a Mutra Gada, classically. Varunadi Kashayam, Chiravilvadi, Chandraprabha, Vadi, Gudardraga Prayogam told in Shofa Chikisa, Hingavajadi, Pipalyadi, Anuvasanam. Hydronephrosis, Chatwaris Taila Gomutra Vasti of Ashtanga Hridayam. This can be given. And Chatwaras Taila Gomutra Vasti, like Vaidaranam and Ksharavasti, Anuvasanam has to be done on the same day. Read it Vasti today itself. Renal failure. There are two types of renal failure presentation in practice. One, polyuria, they pass regular urine, urea is high, creatinine is high, hemoglobin is low, parathormone is high, phosphorus is high, BP will be there, or diabetes will be there. Another person comes to you with the same picture, passes only 500 ml of urine. Suppose you select Gotshura Shadavari. Madhura Rasa, Madhura Vibhaga, Sida Virya, Snigdha Guna, Vada Pitta Shamana, Kapha Vardhana, Mutra Vardhana, Kaleda Vardhana, Mutra Utpatti Vardhana. Already the person is unable to eliminate the urine which is stagnated there. You are producing more urine. So Gotshuradi should not be given there. So you should go to Udara Chikissa, Malasanjaya Chikissa, Guduchyadi Kashayam with Narayana Churnam, Dugdha Vadi has to be given in that condition. Then Gudardraga Prayogam, Ajaji Badadi Churnam, Bunimba Mahaushada Prayogam has to be given in that condition. But if there is polyuria, normal urination, you can go for Trinavanjamulam, Gokshuradi Vadi, Shadavari Legium, all these things. No problem. Shadavari Legium contains Shilajat. Churnavasti. In Charakasamhita, Siddhisthanam, 10th chapter, Chakrapani commentary, there is a Churnavasti. Churnavasti means giving Shadharana with Amrutotram 600 ml in morning, empty stomach by 10:30. It reduces urea and creatinine, and it does not produce a permanent effect. Udaram, Shofam, nobody will do a Vasti. Kushtam also nobody will do a Vasti. But Chakradatta, what he says, Avastam prapya nirdishtam kushtinam vasti karmaja. If avastas are demanding, you can give asti. Pramegam vasti is there. The shloka starts itself with Surasadikana vasti, which reduces HbA1c. Surasadhiganam contains various types of tulasi. Urinary infection is amam in mutram. Mutram is kafam, amam is kafam, kafanabandham. In kafanabandham, infection. Nisha katakadi, katakadiradi, chandanadi vadi, common blood test. Urea is for chronic, acute, creatinine. Already if there is 1.1, 60% of damage has happened. Potassium is very important. Don't ask them to take mango, vadapalam, orange, kismis, cashew nut. Ellam bayangara potassium. Ellam kudukappadadu. And alkaline phosphatase, phosphorus, calcium will be low, phosphorus will be high in kidney disease. Albumin will be low in nephrotic syndrome. Hemoglobin will be low in kidney disease due to erythropoietin deficiency, and they give erythropoietin injection. And treatment of nephritic syndrome, pyelonephritis, Vada Pittaja, Kogilasham, Brigatyadi, Chandraprabha, Sudarsanavadi. When all these things are over, Amavastha is removed. Amam is there in physical level, mental level, Rectam Amam is there, Mutram Amam is there, Purisham Amam is there, Joram Amam is there, Corona Amam is there, and in psychiatric problem also Amam is there. Amam and Agni has to be corrected. That is why in Corona, give importance to Agni in prevention. Those who ask them to stop milk, coffee, tea, dadi, all day sleep, oil massage, all these things which increases ama has to be. Ama invites these fungal infections and all. So amam, Agni and ama, you should give so much importance. Koshtam, you should give so much importance. Agni, you should give so much importance. Other than Agni and Koshta, Sadvabalam, Sarabalam, Samhananam, all these things are academic. Mutram, NAD, Maria students also may write, even my college, our college students, the college where I studied also will write Nadi 80 per minute, Nadi Mutram 2 times a day, Malam, hard Malam, Jihva, coated, Sabdam, good Sabdam, Sparsham, Ushna Sparsham, Drik, able to see, Agradi, obeys. What is the use of this test? What do you test? What do you give this idea? What do you do this? So it must be 18th century, 17th, 16th century, and Yoga Ratnakara brought it, and this test has a lot of limitations. This has become more academic test. People write BAMS. One fellow told BAMS is normal. What is BAMS? Bowel, appetite, micturition, and sleep. It's called BAMS. Because these people sleep in the class all the time. They made it BAMS test. All these ideas only Ayurvedic doctors will get. Nephrotic syndrome, kapha pramegam, come in children, protein loss, obesity, periorbital swelling, akshakuda shodaha, told in Sangragai Nama, Punarnavadi, Puduchyadi, Chandanadivadi, Shivagudiga, Budardragam, Lodrasavam, which is called Madhvasavam, told in Charakasamhita, which does not contain Gudam, which contains only honey, because Gudam is a Pramega Kedu. Navannabanam Gudavaigirdam che. So it contains Madhu. Probably Madhu available during the period of Charaka Samhita, maybe anti-diabetic, but the Madhu available now, repeated studies prove up to some extent it increases. A science cannot be static. How can a science be static? A science should change. Science should grow. It should accept the mistakes, correct the mistakes. It should grow. And if you're going on arguing, there is a Shuddha Ayurveda person, Shuddha Ayurveda, you know. They don't use anything modern, weighing machine, wearing specs, they are against everything. During the Corona study, they told oxygen saturation was 70. After our medication, it became 90. How did they measure higher oxygen saturation? Is it not modern? Modern doctors are criticizing us. Our people are telling vaccine is dangerous and criticizing modern medicine. I don't know when this war will end. Sugartha sarva bhudanam mada sarva pravartaya. யாராவது எங்கிட்ட கேட்டா நான் மௌனமா போயிடுவேன். See, we are not here for quarrel. We are in this planet for a very short period. Why should we quarrel with people? There is no use in quarreling. எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சா செய்யறேன், தெரியலன்னா அப்படி ஓரமா ஒதுங்கி போறேன். புத்தர் சொல்ற மாதிரி ஏதாவது ஒருத்தன் பிடிக்கலையா ஓரமா ஒதுங்கி போயிடு, அவ்வளவு. Allopathic doctors are criticizing. Do you think it is going to change? Even after 10 years, they will criticize. Even if you produce the best study in the Lancet, they will criticize. Even if our medicines are effective, they will criticize. I'm going to talk in the evening. Here my talks on COVID today. I'm going to tell so many painful things. So this will happen, but those who are strong and those who are weak, strong will suppress the weak. That happen in all areas of living. Sadavari Punarnava Kogilaksham Gokshuram Ananeringil Varunam Ikshurasam Guduchi Abamargam Darba Badra Sandanam Pashana Vedi Shilajat Madurarasam Mutralam Gokshuram Amlarasam Mutralam Dadima Tiktarasam Mutralam Punarnava Kashayarasam Mutralam Aragvadam Lavana Kadurasam very rarely used in Mutrala. Chandanadivadi, Chandraprabhavadi, Gokshuradigu, Punarnavadivadi, Shivaguliga, told in Ashtanga Sankaragam, Vajikaranam, first paragraph. Chandanadivadi, Vaidyogaratnavadi, written by Dr. B. Vaidyanathan sir. Punarnavasavam, Chandanasavam, Vushirasavam, Sharivasavam, Sadavari Legyam, Sukumaragradam, Vastyamayantakradam, Varunadikradam, Rasaushada, Sabragabaspam, Karpura Shilajat Baspam, Chandraprabha Pravala Baspam, Kshara Barpadi, Swarnavangam, Akika Pishti, silicon probably. Akikam is a semi gemstone which is triturated with Skumari, Swarasa and rose water, which is a very good Pitta Samana, Hridya, anti-anxiety, Mutra Prasadana Ushada, Akika Pishti, Rasayanam, Mutra Krishra Nasanam, Savana Prasam, Sadavari Gudam, Shilajat Rasayanam, Sugumar Rasayanam, Kushmanda Rasayanam, Nagabala Rasayanam. Nagabalam is controversial. What can we treat in Ayurveda? Renal failure, urea up to 80, creatinine up to 5, nephrotic syndrome, infection, hypertension up to some extent, stones up to 7 mm, BPH up to 35-40, neurological bladder up to some extent. What we cannot do, renal failure, renal tubular acidosis, renal hypertension, obstructive bladder pathology, I think it is difficult for Ayurvedic doctors to treat. Yogas, Nishakatakadi, Tiktakashayam, Pramekakaram, Toya Kalpana, pre-diabetic, diabetes in obese, diabetic neuropathy, diabetic nephropathy, Kataka Kadiradi, Kafapitta Samanam, Veeradaradi. Veeradaram is a controversial drug. Dichrostachys cinerea. This botanical name of the player engana vadikino endo. Valiya kashtama. This reference drug vadikan. I will tell you a story. There was a boy who was poor in Dravyaguna, somehow managed with these mnemonics and understood these plants. And every day he was going to the toilet, he saw a plant around the toilet. There was a shrub that was going. So the examiner came from some North India who were thorough in the plants, pulled that plant around that bathroom and kept it in the table in the examination hall. And every students were going one by one. This fellow's turn came. This fellow went into the examination hall. The examiner asked, what is the name of this plant? This fellow is an intelligent fellow, no? He doesn't study but intelligent. Many people are like that. And this fellow told, he saw near this Mutrapra. So he told Mutra Pradeshiye Sideshiye, name of the plant. Examiner, oh, this terminology, nomenclature, they change day by day. Maybe correct, we do not know. This fellow would have updated. Then he asked, what is the family? This fellow immediately told, Mutreshiye. I told, pass, you go, you have passed. Like that. That is how you remember this botanical name. Mutra Pardeshiye, Sideshiye. So very difficult. Dreviguna is a wonderful topic. Subspecies. Sida cardifolia, we were studying, Sida rectusa. How much you have to learn and remember. You have to study in young age. Veeradaradi, 3 ganas for Vada, Veeradaradi, Badradarvadi, Vidaryadi. Vada Pitta, Vidaryadi, Vada Kapha, Badradarvadi, Vadaja, Vidaryadi, Vada Vyadi with Mutrakrachram, Veeradaradi. Vada Vyadi with Mutrakrachram, lupus nephritis, Veeradaradi. Kogilaksham, you know, Kogilaksham and Guduji. It is given in lupus nephritis, uric acid conditions. Patanamradam Pittarasam given in UTI. Punarnamadikashayam, nephrotic syndrome, Kafakaram, Sophagnam. Arunadi, Kadurasam contains Balladagam, Chitrakam. Hydronephrosis, Mutrakrachram, stones, it is given. Renal colic, it is given. Brihatyadi. Brihatyadi of Susruda is entirely different from Brihatyadi of others. Ajaji Badadi Churnam, Ashtangardiyam, Chopachikisa given in renal failure. Shivaguliga contains Shilajit, good Shilajit is not available. Ingavajadi, already I told you. Gudadraka Rasayanam, told in Ashtangardiyam, Chopachikisa, highly useful in nephrotic syndrome in a very low dosage, otherwise acidity will come. Tandanasavam, Puya Mutra Nashanam, infection, gonorrhea. Uchirasavam, Mutrakrachram, recovery in non-diabetic person. Lodrasavam, Prameham, vaginal candidiasis. Shadavari Gulam contains Gomutra Shilajit, Mutra Virejaniyam. Dhanvandaram, Vada Pramehi, Dhanvandara Gridam, Abraga Basmam, Trinakandaga Gridam, Trikandaga Gridam, Vasanta Kusumagaram, Madhideli Gavasti are the medicines told for Vadaja Pramega. Swarnamakshika Rasayanam is told, Shilajit Rasayanam is told in Bhaishyajaratnavali. Dadimadi Gridam, Brigat Dadimadi Gridam is also told in Bhaishyajaratnavali. Vastyamayandaga Gridam, Samashidošnam, Pittasamana Yoga it is actually. Pippalyadi Thailam, Vasti, told in Udavarta Prakarana of Arshas, Kadurasam, Kaduvabhagam, Vishnaviryam. Now we see a case of cancer. Prostate cancer, one person came to me with a discomfort in pelvic area, problem in urinating, decreased urine flow, urge incontinence. Had jaundice, had ulcer, had reflux. Some surgeries he had undergone. This is the picture, low hemoglobin, high ESR, renal function normal. PSA taken 900 PSA. Normal is 4. RBC present. Ultrasound taken. Prostate mid-gland left peripheral zone malignant nodule with features suggesting capsular breach. So ultrasound is not confirmatory. MRI was taken. Mid-gland left peripheral zone malignant nodule came. PET scan was taken in Regional Cancer Institute. Prostatic malignancy with no regional lymph nodal spread. No spread, in situation, no metastasis. So we took the case. prostatic malignancy confirmed with PET and biopsy. Prostatic adenocarcinoma, Gleason grade, the pathologists give 6. 10 bits they studied, 10 bits they had carcinoma. First bleeding was there, so Pittaja Mutra Kritra Chikissa, when Upadrava predominates main disease, Upadrava has to be treated. Tiktarasa, Madhurarasa, Sidavirya, Raktadisara, Pittajara Chikissa are adopted. Vasagudu Jadi, Adogada Raktabittam, Brikatyadi Shadavari Gokshuratoyam, Shadavari Kashayam, then Trinavanjamula Kshira Kashayam, Shadavari Kashayam, you know that. Shadavari, Yashti, Kusha, Bala, Gokshuram. Then after that, Yeruvari Bija Churnam, Shadavari Legium was given. Then Tikkarasam, Madhurarasam, then Snega Prayogam, Mahatiktakam, Mutra Prasadanam, Pittasamanam given. Then RBC became negative. Erichalaka പോയെല്ലാം ശരിയായി. അടുത്തത് നമ്മൾ കട്ടിയുടെ ചികിത്സ, ഗുൽമം, പ്രോസ്റ്റേറ്റ്, അത് കഫവാതകരമായിട്ട് വരും. അപ്പം അതിനെന്ത് കൊടുക്കണം? വരുണാദി, ഗുൽമം തന്നെ ചികിത്സ തന്നെ, ചാർദൂലം, അമൃതാദി സഞ്ജീവി, സിദ്ധ. ചാർദൂലം contains കുംഭനികുംഭ, drastic purgative. നാരാജം contains ഹരിതകി, mild purgative. Amradadi Sanjeevi, Shiva Guliga, Rasamula Harideki were given. Varunadi. So, first Pitta Samana, then Kafavada Samana. Now, after the treatment, blood profile became normal. PSA became 13 from 900. 13 from 900. PPSA became normal. Ultrasound was taken. Known case of CA prostate, prostatomegaly, small prostatic cystic lesion. The metastatic malignant, a non-metastatic malignant lesion is gone. Dr. L. Mahadevan, MD, BAMS is there. Then again ultrasound repeated. Porous prostate is normal in size. Impression, known case of CA prostate treatment. Next case, bladder cancer. One patient came, burning, lady, bleeding while micturition, difficulty, burning defecation, urine hesitancy, bedwetting using diaper, diabetic, hypertensive, hypothyroid, IESR, uncontrolled diabetes, elevated CRP, elevated urea, diabetic kidney disease, stage 1. Glucose positive, more pus cells, more RBC investigated. Bladder growth with cystitis, CT is advised. CT report, intravesicular lesion arising from trigone of the bladder. Cystoscopy done. Scope is taken, biopsy is taken. Cancer Institute, carcinoma CA bladder, recurrent endometrium, repeat with CT. So again, reducing the bleeding, Trinapanjamulam, Bragatyadi, Shadavari were given. RBC gone. Then Varunadi, Gugulidikta Gradam, Shivaguliga, Tesamula Harideki, Tamrakatta Sanduram were given. And bladder growth reduced comparatively in previous scan. Sugar came down, creatinine came down by Mutra Shodhana, Mala Sanchaya Nasana. And latest scan shows no growth in bladder with cystitis, post-hysterectomy status. So BPH, Vada Kafagara, Gulmakara treatment. Avoid Mutrala Ushadas, Avabedaga Snegam is good. Anuvasanam with Pipalyadi is good. Varunadi, Sugumaram, Chitraga Grandhyadi of Gulmam, Hingavajadi, Chardulam, Narajam of Gulmam, Chandraprabha, Gokshuradi Gugulu, Sugumara Layam, Desamula Redegi, Avil Toladi Baspam, Kanmada Baspam, Swarnavangam, which is a Kubi Pakwa Rasayanam of Vangam, Ura, Tanga Uram, it will attain golden color like Tangam. Avabedaga Snegavanam. Already I told you all these things. Cystitis, inflammation of the bladder, same type of treatment, whether it is due to bacteria, it is due to some medicines, it is due to radiation, it is due to cyclophosphamide, it is due to long-term usage of drugs, whether it is due to diabetic cystitis, whether it is to stone in the bladder. We have to see catheterization can produce infection. Kachanamradam, Gudujyadi, Veeradaradi, Kogilaksham, Chandraprabha are the choices of medicine. Erectile dysfunction comes in urology, andrology. Many causes are there: heart disease, Parkinson, multiple sclerosis, diabetes, S1, S2 injury. All these functional, psychological also. Using drugs, Peyronie's disease, where the penis will not be straight, still they can have a sexual life. Erectile dysfunction is commonly seen in people taking antipsychotics and antidepressants. Clybem is told in Rasadadu Agni, Rasavagasrodo Dushti, Ashwagandha, Akara Karabadi, Kabigachu, Narasimham, Skumar Legium, Salab Misri are given. Then Shukra Vardhana, Habushadi Vasti is given. Habushadi Vasti. Prostatitis, Pitta Vriddhi in Apanasthana, bacterial prostatitis, non-bacterial prostatitis, pain after urination in penis and anus, pain after sexual ejaculation in penis and anus. Antibiotic cannot enter into the prostate. It is a fibrous gland. So treatment is little tough. Ayurvedically it works very well. Avabedaga Snegavanam works very well. Uttaravasti in men I have done. Uttaravasti is done after conventional vastis. It can be done after taking food, and it is inserted 6 angulas into the penis. Then you remove the urine, then inject Sakajaradi Thailam, autoclaved Thailas, then remove the catheter. That's the process. That is intrapenile Uttaravasti. Intra-bladder, you go up to the bladder, adjust the catheter. Number 14 to 16 catheter is used, 16 is used. And self-catheterization usually they do for every 4th hour, 4 to 6 times a day. It's almost same like that. Erectile issues, subfertility, urge incontinence, kidney failure, don't do Uttaravasti. It's not indicated. Sakajaradi, Ksheeravala, Sugumara Gradam, Vastyamyanta Gradam can be taken. Now it is a plain scan without Uttaravasti. Now you see the Sakajaradi Taila Uttaravasti after 5 minutes. This is after first elimination. After elimination, urine went, oil was there. Oil up to 50 ml give, but we give 25 ml. Urinary wash, Kashayam Uttaravasti in men, I don't do that. So these are all the things I wanted to tell you overall, covering the nephrological perspective of the disorders. I thank Principal of Maria Ayurveda College, my beloved friend Dr. Samraj, the girl who introduced me, the girl who sang the prayer song beautifully, and all my students of Maria who visit Darshanam regularly with love and affection, with a quest of learning. I thank you all from my heart, and I hope to see you in the evening class, Sakasra Yogam followed by Corona. 2 classes are there. I welcome you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Sir, if you allow for our students, so if you're okay with it, we can go on to that.
എന്താ മനസ്സിലായില്ല?
ഡൗട്ട്സ് ഉണ്ട്, അപ്പം കുറച്ച് സാർക്ക് പോയി.
അയ്യോ, ചോദിച്ചോളൂ. സന്തോഷമല്ലേ ഉള്ളൂ.
Can we?
ചോദിച്ചോളൂ.
Okay, sir. So guys, if you have any doubts, you may ask. Sir is ready for that.
Ready? Ask me. വിട്ട് കേൾക്കുന്നു. അവർ പോയി.
ഞാൻ തന്നെ ചോദിക്കാം. സാർ, ഒരു പേഷ്യന്റ് ലൈക്ക് 45+ ആണ്. സാർ, ആം ഓഡിബിൾ?
Audible.
ഹലോ.
Proceed, please.
Okay, sir. So 45+ ആണ്. Type 2 diabetes mellitus ആണ്. And having undergone allopathic medications ഒക്കെ എടുക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. ഇൻസുലിൻ എടുക്കുന്നില്ല, ടാബ്ലറ്റ്സ് ഒക്കെ എടുക്കുന്നത്. സോ ഇപ്പം ആയുർവേദത്തിലേക്ക് കംപ്ലീറ്റ്ലി മാറാൻ പറ്റുമോ എന്ന് വിചാരിച്ചാൽ ഇസ് പോസിബിൾ?
If HbA1c is less than 8, fasting is 150, postprandial is around 250, with diet, exercise and Ayurvedic medicines is possible. If microalbuminuria has started and there is early features of retinopathy, better to take insulin and continue the therapy. In order to prevent the vital organ damage like retinopathy, angiopathy, neuropathy, vasculopathy, you add on Ayurvedic drug along with that.
Okay. So completely allopathy stop ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റത്തില്ല, sir?
ആദ്യമേ ആയുർവേദം തുടങ്ങണം. 10 കൊല്ലം അലോപതി കഴിച്ചിട്ട് പിന്നെ ആയുർവേദം വന്നാൽ ഇത് കേൾക്കില്ല. ഇത് ഫസ്റ്റ് തന്നെ വന്നാൽ നമുക്ക് മര്യാദയായിട്ട് ചികിത്സിക്കാം.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Sir, any doubt you can ask? Nobody has any doubt?
Is anybody there? Hello? Any doubts? Doubts ഇല്ലെങ്കിൽ wind up ചെയ്യാം, അതാണ്.
Sir, hello sir.
നമസ്തേ.
Sir, കോവിഡിനെ പറ്റിയാണ് സാർ ഒരു ഡൗട്ട് ചോദിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയാണ്.
കോവിഡ് വൈകുന്നേരം ക്ലാസ് ഉണ്ടല്ലോ.
സാർ അതിനെ പറ്റി ചോദിക്കാൻ.
ചോദിച്ചോളൂ.
Sir, why does mutation occurs quickly in coronavirus?
Immunocompromised state, വാദവൃദ്ധി, വിഷമത, വായുർ വിഭജതി, multiplication takes place because of uncertainty of vayu.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Vayu vibhajati, multiplication, variance, vishamata.
So sir, we can wind up.
Wind up.
Yes, sir. So I invite Dr. Kavita ma'am, our assistant professor, Department of Cultures of our college, for vote of thanks. Ma'am, please, ma'am.
Thank you, Asma, and good evening, sir. Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon all. And it gives me an immense pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks for this wonderful webinar. Gratitude is one of the least articulate of the emotion, especially when it is deep. Good afternoon, everyone. So we have reached the end of this beautiful webinar. Today, I, Dr. Kavita, take the opportunity to put my gratitude into words. First of all, I would like to thank Almighty God for making today's webinar a great success. By his blessings and grace, we are able to make the event what it was. I would like to thank our chairman, Dr. Russell Raj, our chairperson, Dr. Shaini Teresa, for providing the opportunity to conduct this resourceful webinar and for offering unconditional support. Sir, ma'am, on behalf of this college, I am thankful for you. And I thank you wholeheartedly. I would like to thank our principal, Professor Dr. P. Jayashree, being the catalyst that inspired us to do our best and stand as a pillar of power. With a deep sense of appreciation, we thank our loving teacher for untiring effort. I would like to thank our director, Professor C. Balasubramaniam, for his kindful support. Words are not enough to express our gratitude towards Honorable Dr. L. Mahadevan sir. I would like to convey my sincere thanks to our beloved and Honorable Dr. L. Mahadevan sir, who had accepted the call and delivered his excellent lecture. He spent his busiest time gracing the occasion and enlightening us with his knowledge. Thank you for your valuable time and effort, sir. You never failed to make us spellbound. You have always been an inspiration to the whole Ayurveda faculty, and we feel privileged every time we get to hear from you. I would like to say that we are most grateful to Dr. L. Mahadevan sir on this form. We thankful for being with us this afternoon. It is a great pleasure, sir. Thank you so much, sir. I thank you once again on behalf of the whole institution for your presence despite of these difficult times. I would like to thank Dr. Lindu Shaw, Vice Principal, Maria Ayurveda Medical College, for coordinating this wonderful webinar. I also thank our staff members and students who work behind this webinar. This vote of thanks wouldn't be complete without making our delegates who have attended the webinar with a thirst for knowledge. Lastly, I wish to thank all the participants for their cooperation. Thank you one and all.
Thank you very much. Namaste.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. So thank you.
Thank you.
So,
Thank you, sir.
all stay home and stay safe. Thank you.
Thank you.